Hey, good morning, guys. Today on Copy with Chris, I want to talk to you about an announcement that just came out this week. On September 15th, it was announced that Copilot Chat now gives you the ability to use Copilot inside the applications, being Excel and Word and PowerPoint. So if you're in an Excel document and you needed to help do a conditional formatting or need to do some calculations, before you would need the Copilot add-on license for that, and now it comes included. And if you need to reference another document, you can use the slash and reference another document. So what you can't do, though, is you cannot reference other items in your graph. You have to specifically call them out. But this is a step closer to having more functionality. You do get access to agents like you did before, but the agents are still going to be pay as you go. So if you don't have a full license, you are going to need to set up billing, set up a billing connector into Azure so you can have the pay as you go. But if you have a Entra-enabled license and you have Copilot Chat, now it is available inside the applications for you to use inside the applications versus just doing web grounding. So that's a big step forward. So this, like I said, just started rolling out September 15th. So if you don't have it yet, it's coming. They're doing their rollout like they normally do, or it kind of goes in rings. So if you don't have it, it's coming soon. And I'll see you on the next time we do another Copy with Chris. Take care.